Welcome to Test Acceleration Platform Overview video by Rakuten India Products. In software development, the software testing lifecycle is a structured process that ensures the quality of a software product. It consists of stages such as requirement analysis, test case creation, test automation, test runs, test environment setup, test execution, and report generation. Each stage plays a vital role in validating the software's functionality and reliability. While traditional testing workflows often require multiple tools and platforms, TAP simplifies and unifies the entire STLC within a single solution, making software testing efficient and seamless from requirements to reports. With TAP, requirement analysis becomes efficient thanks to our requirement traceability matrix. At the heart of any successful project lies the requirement stage. TAP helps you capture and manage requirements efficiently with our requirement traceability matrix, ensuring that every requirement is addressed. Next comes test planning, a crucial phase in the STLC. With TAP, you can create, organize, and schedule your test cases, allowing you to plan your testing process effectively. In the test design stage, your test cases take shape. TAP offers a user-friendly interface for designing GUI and API and mobile test cases, making it easy to map out your test scenarios. Now it's time to execute your tests. With TAP's intuitive test execution dashboard, you can run and monitor your tests, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Finally, the test reporting stage provides insights into your project's health. TAP's robust reporting and analytics tools help you track and visualize test results, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Experience a unified STLC process with TAP. Say goodbye to the complexities of multiple tools and welcome a new level of efficiency in your software testing process.